We're just days away from the start of the 102nd International Assembly of the Church of God of Prophecy in Orlando, Florida. This will be a special time as we gather together, conduct business, and seek God's direction for the future of our movement. Our assembly will begin on July 31, 2024. That's 7/31. With this in mind, I'm asking you to set your alarm for 7:31 each morning and evening to join me in prayer for the assembly. During this moment of prayer, I encourage you to offer praise for the blessings we have received as a church and to lift up all who will gather for the assembly. Pray for the various aspects that come to mind, such as our business sessions, worship, and those who will be speaking. Pray for our fellowship that divine connections will be made that will encourage, inspire, and network leaders with one another. And pray that the Holy Spirit will empower us to be on mission to reconcile the world to Christ. So set your alarm and join with me at 7:31 each morning and evening now through July 31st. Together, we will create a powerful prayer movement leading into this year's assembly that will usher in the very presence of God and impact our ministries all around the world.